This is the deadliest man-eater in history, and it wasn't even a male lion or tiger. The champavath tiger, a Bengal tigress, killed an estimated 436 people in India and Nepal over just a few years. Her reign of terror emptied villages, halted farming, and left locals living in fear. In 1907, hunter Jim Corbett finally tracked her down, but what he found was shocking. Her teeth were broken, she couldn't hunt her natural prey, so she hunted humans instead. This is the story of the world's most dangerous tiger, and the man who stopped her.